know it. Mahal na 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 mahal ko kayo po lahat. Hindi nyo naiintindihan kado ko kayo kamahal. Bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Unang campaign ko, wala akong gastos kahit na pangalawa, wala akong gastos, wala akong niloko, wala akong inaway. Anong ginawa nyo? Binas nyo na ako ng binas. Sumaba sobrang loob ko. Filipinos should be more caring, more honest. That's why we have all these hardships. Filipinos love and cherish each other. Pray to the Blessed Virgin Mary. Pray to Padre Pio. Pray to the Lord Jesus Christ. My whole body is tingling right now, Doc Lisa. Ito, ang kapal-kapal. It's like a spirit came here, all over here. I thought I had high blood pressure. Natatakot ako. So I got them to check my BP now. This is my BP. 115/74. My BP 3 days ago is only 85/50. 3 days ago, I was vomiting, shouting, delirious. Heart rate is always 118, temperature 36.8. Hindi po ako nagloloko. Hindi to bola-bola. Life and death to. Baka bukas patay na ako. If I live, I will live for you. I will live for every Juan de la Cruz. We need good people to run. Good people to run as senator, president, congressman, lahat. We should love the earth. No to mining. We should tax the correct people. Stop the corruption. Look, the Philippines is so rich. You politician, you bribe the people. You give them money to vote for you. You keep them stupid. You want them stupid. Take this. Low phosphate po ako. Lactulose. Low phosphate. Spironolactone Lasix. Diflam lozenges for the throat. Ayoko ako lang gagaling. Naiiyak ako. I was crying because they had the best health care. Our Filipinos have no health care. This is the new Doc Willie. Sorry for those watching. I have to do this. This is my mission. Live or die, I will be true to myself. The only reason to live is I love my daughter, Catherine. I want to live. I love Yen Yen. I love Jelly. I love Lisa. I love Ryan. I love Mark. I love all the nurses here. I also love all the politicians here. You are my friends. Di ba kaibigan tayo? Pero masakit sa akin na namamatay yung mahihirap natin. Everything I do for you. Ako na nga pinakamalinis na ginagawa. Minababoy niyo pa ako. May isang basher nagsabi sa akin, Doc Willie, even if you run 10 times again and again, you will lose again and again and again. What did I do to you? Why do you hate me so much? What did I do? I never attacked Duterte. I never attacked BBM. I never attacked Larry. I never attacked Pico. I am nice to them. I interviewed them. Is the politics just a game? What is happening to me? I will tell you what is happening. In the past few days, parang marami ako napapanaginipan kasi. I saw my mom who is died. My mom died, nandun siya, kinukuha na niya ako eh. All my 60 years old, I serve Filipino people. Lahat ng charity, all my charity work in Salamat Doc, in Makabayan Doctor, in doing charity work in Pasay Filipino Chinese for 25 years. We always give it to the Filipinos. We will talk medicine. They say I am crazy, but my serum ammonia is normal. Ano ba naramdaman ko ngayon, Lisa? Parang nanginginig yung buong katawan ko. So, anyway, I will decide if I put out this video or not. Pero this is how I feel. If I do not put out this video, I will just die. The news will be, Doc Willie died one day. He did not tell his followers. He lied to his followers.